Hey everybody, so today we're going to talk about how to improve your workflow because there are ways that you can work that are messy and there are ways that you can work that are organized. Let me show you how I do it. So basically, usually you have a lot of pieces, right? You select one at a time, whatever. You can just select, you can click and hold, swipe, you select all. That's first of all, okay? Second of all, you want to work on something specifically, don't go and hide everything just to get to one part. Guys, group things in folders, hide everything at once, okay? Second of all, you want to work on one item specifically without selecting everything else and without grouping. Guess what? What is here? Nothing. But if you select even just one face, doesn't even have to be the whole thing, there's an isolate button, which you can work on just that piece. Okay, so, and then unisolate, and then you get everything back. So guys, group everything into folders and you can make your life so much easier. And in case you're wondering, this is a mystery block, which is based on the question block from Mario, but it's my design. Look how cool this is. And it's made for Nintendo Switch cartridges, or it's a game case. Let me go ahead and show you. If I just take off the lid and the outer shell, I have all these internal parts to fit the cartridges. All right, so this is just a project I'm working on. But don't forget, again, if you want to work things on on your project, make your life simpler. Name things. You know, usually what I do if I'm in a hurry, I work and then like I need to find something in the large menu. Let's say this is all unnamed. I would click the object. I find it here. See, and then just select the whole thing. You don't even have to double click. You could just find it here and select it from the menu. Same thing, you can select the whole folder, right? You can do so much if you just organize correctly. So guys, improve your workflow, plan ahead, organize, make your life easier, especially on projects that take longer. You can just have so much frustration if you're working and you can't find stuff. But if you just organize everything well, you're gonna have a great time. So take a lesson from me, name your things, organize things in folders, and you're going to have a fun time working in Shapr. And if you need something specifically, don't forget to isolate. All right? Bye, guys. Have a good one. I'll see you in the next one.
Here at Shapr3D, our goal is to inspire and empower you to create your own amazing projects. Please support our work so that we can keep doing it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to see more. See you again soon.